that is one good looking motor. And would you, what the heck is, would you look at that? Check that out. 500 subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, everybody, we hit 500 subscribers. So what that means is it's time to do our strut cover giveaway from Custom Pony One. Here's an older custom set I got, and now the products are way better than this. So you guys can see them cycling the screen right now. So in order to enter, all you have to do is comment on this video and say S197 strut cover giveaway below or S550 strut cover giveaway below. For everybody else who does not have a S197 or S550, I'm sorry, there's no covers for those yet. However, I am doing a Burl shift knob giveaway in another video for my MG folks, and you can feel free to enter that as long as you know your thread pattern. So comment below, let me know if you have a S197 or S550, and I am going to use a random comment generator, random comment picker website, which I will make a video of, and you can only enter once. I'm going to ignore multiple entries and replies and stuff like that, but feel free to enter. Let me know what kind of car you got, and yeah, let me know how excited you are. All right, let me know, and you feel free to comment what kind of design you want in the comments too. It's gonna be fun. I think the winner's really gonna enjoy these, and I can't wait to see who wins. Please make sure you get your comments in prior to the 21st, so that way I have a chance to use the random comment generator, and the giveaway winner will be announced on the 23rd, so I have time to edit the video and get it uploaded appropriately. So again, the 21st, no later than 8 p.m. And then on the 22nd, on the 21st, I will make the video and edit it on the 22nd, and we will upload it on the 23rd, so the winner can be announced. All right. But again, I can't thank you guys enough for taking me to 500. You know, I'm halfway to my goal, and I hope to keep bringing this. Hope to keep this thing going. So if you're not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, click the like of this video, and yeah, I'm gonna keep making content, and hope you guys keep enjoying it. All right, guys. Again, thank you, and here they are. Let's go. Take care, guys.